Brushing our teeth is a daily habit that we learn early to keep our smile healthy. And when it comes to maintaining a healthy smile for our pets, it's also up to us to ensure they are getting daily dental care. Not doing so can lead to a host of health issues for our furry friends. Purina veterinarian Dr. Callie Harris is back to share some tips to help keep our pets' dental health in check. Good morning, Dr. Harris. A lot of us don't really think about our pets' oral health. Can you explain why it's important?
Absolutely. So when I think about the mouth, I think about it being the gateway to the rest of my pet, right? So a happy mouth equals a happy pet. When we think about our dogs and cats, their mouths are used for so many different activities in their day-to-day, from vocalizing to chewing. So if there's dental disease, that can significantly impact their normal activities.
And how common is dental disease in pets?
So what may be surprising to some of your listeners or your viewers is that actually approximately 85% of my patients, by the time they become young adults, which is age 3, are going to be diagnosed with some form of dental disease. So very common, up there with managing obesity too. And when we are thinking about ways to determine if our pets have dental disease, it can be quite mysterious, especially in cats. So I hope to give you guys some tips on that.
How frequently do you recommend that we brush our pets' teeth?
Yeah, so in a perfect world, okay, I would like for my patients' teeth to be brushed at least once a day. I know that may seem like a lot for many pet parents, but that would be the ideal recommendation. If we're unable to do that on a day-to-day basis, maybe trying to get that bonding experience a few times a week and then supplementing with dental treats and dental chews. Purina has one in particular, their dental health oral care line. It's a great option. They have treats, they have chews that really helps with that bad breath, as well as just keeping those mouths healthy.
What are some signs your pet's teeth need cleaning?
Yeah, great question. So number one, the bad breath. If your pet's breath is knocking you out before you even enter the room, that's a really bad sign. Also, too, if they're dropping food, maybe not going to their food bowl as voraciously or as happily as they once did, if you see them drooling, if you see them pawing at their mouth, this can be great indicators that there's something going on from a dental standpoint. Also, for some of my pet parents, if they look inside the mouths of their pets, they may notice that there's like that brown, yellow gunk that's building up on their teeth. Maybe they see that reddened line near the gum line. These, again, are all indicators of advanced dental disease.
And finally, what else can owners do to help improve their pet's dental hygiene?
Start brushing their teeth. It's so simple, especially if you get started with it early on when you first adopt that new pet into your home. It's a bonding experience. Plus, they get used to having their mouths manipulated. And so when they come to see us in the vet office, they're not as anxious, they're not as afraid. And that's a bonus for us veterinarians.
Thank you, Dr. Harris. You can get expert pet advice on health, nutrition, behavior, training, and so much more from the team of Purina Pros at purina.com/expertise.